guys, Gerald for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the New Balance made in the UK 991. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, it helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank the subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go, and today we've got a look at the New Balance made in the UK. We've got the 991 V1. We've got it in the purple colorway, in the UK size 7.5, it's European 41.5, and it's the US 8. So this is part of the made in the UK range, which is obviously New Balance's sneakers that are made in the UK. It's made in Flimby, up north here. Well, we're based in London. Cumbria, Flimby is up north, and that's where the factory is. And it's the best materials being used. It's the highest premium materials that are used to make these sneakers, and they are gorgeous. I have actually opened the box up and laced the sneakers because New Balance sneakers come unlaced, so we had to lace these up. So I am cheating. I've already seen it, but for you guys, here they are. But before we unbox, we'll give you the boxing. So look at the box at the top. It's got the New Balance NB, and at the front there it says New Balance made in the UK. So here it is, right there for you, and there's a message in the box here. It says, authentically crafted in Flimby, UK for over 40 years. New Balance made in the UK is designed without compromise. This pair represents our unwavering commitment to those who walk their own path. And I mean, look, this is absolutely gorgeous, guys. We have done a pair of the 991 made in the UK review. We've done a navy one, so if you have some time, check that out. It's essentially the same, but I'm going to give you a little detailing right here for you. So we'll start with the outsole. This outsole is an all rubber outsole. You've got your traction patterning with the ends, the New Balance logo, and it's got the Absorb logo there. It says Endurance. The midsole, so if you look at the midsole unit, so this is a foam midsole, but it has that Absorb technology. It's there for your cushioning and support. So like the lines from the made in the US edition, it uses premium materials because it's made in the UK factory in Flimby, and it uses the pink suede. So if you look at the uppers, you've got hits of the pink suede, so that's where the purple overlays are. Looking at the underlays, you've got your mesh, so you can see it's breathable, very lightweight. I mean, the 991 V1 was one of those sneakers that is synonymous with New Balance. You think of famous runners in regards to sneakers, you think of the 991 from New Balance, and this uses the highest quality of materials, which again, that pink suede, you got your mesh. Looking at the back here, the heel, so you've got your 991 stitched on there, and you got this suede as well in the black. The medial side, again, same materials. You got the premium pink suede overlays. You got the New Balance N as well, and it's there on the lateral side also. The tongue, nicely padded, again with the breathable mesh. Normal lacing, I've already mentioned that I've already laced these up because they come laced, and they also come in the purple lacing as well, so if you're not feeling the white, you got this purple as well. And if you look at the insole, so you got padding around the ankle support, and you got this performance insert, which is a foam insole also. Very lightweight, so use the best materials. You've got, forgot to mention that at the tongue you got the New Balance 991 stitched on, and at the inner of the tongue it says made in England because that's where it's made in. And it's absolutely a gorgeous sneaker. Smells great. Proper heritage here from us people from the UK. we make our own great sneakers. You know, you got that New Balance made in the US. It's really cool. Actually, I've got a pair of those in the 90s, the V5s, but these V1s. It's absolutely gorgeous. Honestly, really excited to try these on. So roll this footage of me trying these 991s on for you. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size fit for New Balances. When it comes to New Balance, I wear a UK size 7.5. These fit perfectly. My toes are where they need to be. And I just want to say off the bat, guys, these are really sick. I love this colorway, the purple. Really, really big fan of. Fits perfectly. Very comfortable. Best materials used. Made in the UK. We love it. And for those wondering what trousers I'm wearing some tracksuit bottoms I got from Weekday. You can get them probably online if you're proper interested. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.